I come from the garden, from the dust where life was breathed. I bear the ancient promise, the blessing of his seed. I stood beside the Jordan shore, I saw the waters part. Through fire and cloud he led us on, he wrote his word upon my heart. I came beneath the heavy cross, bound by my sin and shame. I knelt beneath his mercy and rose up in his name. I am a fisher on the seas, a sower on the land, a voice that sings redemption song. I am a follower of the Lamb. I am the heir of his kindness, the child of his grace, the prodigal he welcomed and clothed in love's embrace. I'm the servant at the table, the steward of his plan, a builder of the broken walls. I am a follower of the Lamb. We are one, but we are many, and in Christ our risen King we stand. We'll share his light and sing with one voice. I am, you are the work of his hands. I'm a teller of his mercy, a singer of his song, a painter of his glory, a bearer